To all our viewers, read my lips. There is no COVID-19 vaccine available in the public domain here or abroad as of yet. The news of two senators getting a shot in the arm last week for coronavirus protection was word spread by no less than the second in the line of succession that has caught fire on the grapevine, as we hear PTV correspondent Mark Vitalco on the latest on this issue.
Wala pa pong aprobadong bakuna na pwedeng gamitin dito sa ating bansa para dito sa COVID-19. Kaya pinapaalalahanan po natin lahat po ng ating kababayan until there is this registered vaccine from FDA, dun po tayo dapat magkaroon ng pag-access nito.
This is the DOH's stern reminder after two lawmakers were reported to have been injected with the COVID-19 vaccine. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergere explained that a vaccine is only approved once it has a clearance from the Vaccine Experts Panel, Ethics Board, and Food and Drug Administration. Aside from that, a person can only be vaccinated if there's a clinical trial being started. So far, all manufacturers who want to conduct trials here in the country are still undergoing regulatory procedure, and this include China Sinovac, which is now being evaluated by the Ethics Board. This weekend, Senate President Tito Soto claimed that Senator Panfilo Lacson and House Majority Leader Martin Romualdez have both received COVID-19 vaccine. He said the vaccine is similar to that of Pfizer, which has 95% efficacy rate. The two officials have yet to issue a statement regarding the matter. Meanwhile, the DOH also warned companies who are selling unregistered vaccines.
Tayo po ay may batas laban dito sa mga pagpamimigay, pagbebenta ng mga bagay or technology katulad ng bakuna na wala pa hong rehistro ng Food and Drug Administration.
Since there is no vaccine yet, the DOH again reminded the public to comply with the minimum health standards. This after reports said physical distancing was hardly observed in Divisoria over the weekend. According to Vergere, face shields and masks would not be enough to prevent the virus in such crowded places.
Bagamat alam po natin na sabik na tayo na magpunta sa mga mall, mamili po tayo para sa mga pangpasko natin, alalahanin po natin na nandyan pa rin yung virus, at ang virus mas na maihahawa sa mga tao, and among you, kapag nandun kayo sa mga lugar na talagang siksikan.
Manila Mayor Isko Moreno also expressed dismay over the issue.
Ang pakiusap namin, huwag kayo magsisiksikan. Huwag talaga. Totodasig kayo ng COVID-19. Malungkot. Baka gusto nyo makatipid, pero nagpabaya naman kayo, o milyon po ang gagastusin nyo.
The DOH also advised the public to opt for online shopping instead of flocking to malls and bazaars to prevent COVID-19. Mark Vitalco for The Nation.